All dbForge products require registration and activation, even for the trial. This ensures we can provide you with personalized support and a tailored user experience. Activation is quick, secure, and free. No credit card or payment is required. The process is simple. You can activate the product directly from the application. If the product has already been activated before, all future updates and upgrades are automatically applied under the existing license. No further action is needed. If you choose to purchase the product during your trial, your license will be upgraded automatically without requiring any additional steps. To activate your product, you need an activation key. It is created automatically when you first download or purchase the product. The key is stored in your account on the Devart customer portal and is also sent to your email after it is generated. You can activate your dbForge product directly from the application, either online or offline, or via the command line. To activate your product online, launch the application. The product activation dialog will appear, prompting you to enter your activation key. Click Customer Portal to access your account on the Devart website. If you have downloaded the product from a source other than the Devart website and do not have an activation key yet, clicking Customer Portal will initiate its generation. The key will be created automatically for users with an existing Devart account. If you do not have an account, you will be guided through a brief registration process, and the key will be issued once it's complete. Make sure you enter the correct activation key, a long alphanumeric string. Do not confuse it with a shorter license ID. Paste the key into the activation field and click Activate to complete the process. If the machine where you need to activate a dbForge product cannot connect to the internet due to security restrictions or firewall rules, you can complete the activation manually using another machine that has internet access to the Devart website. Let's see how it's done. Without an active internet connection, the product activation dialog displays a connection error message. Click Manual Activation in this message and choose the way to obtain your activation request. Either copy it to clipboard or save it to a TXT file at once. We'll do the latter. Now transfer the file with the request to another machine that has internet access. Go to the manual product activation page on the Devart website, paste the request text into the form, and click Download License. Transfer the downloaded license file to your first machine. Go back to the same product activation dialog, click Load License, select the downloaded LIC file, and click Open. That's it. You can also activate your dbForge product from the command line. All you need is your activation key, which you already know how to find, and a stable internet connection. Open your command prompt. Navigate to the folder where the executable file is located. Once you're there, run the following command. Just make sure you have entered the correct executable file name and activation key. And there you have it. That said, we invite you to explore the rich variety of dbForge database tools. Find the one that best suits your needs, download and activate it for your free trial, and give it a go in your daily work.